This video will show you on how to get more gold on solo leveling Arise. Running low on solo leveling Arise, here's how to boost your gold income quickly. So after clearing a gate, dispatch a mining team to extract extra gold and resources. Higher level gates yield better rewards. Utilize your free daily rescan to find gates with higher gold potential. Also, don't forget to collect your activity funds daily. Then this passive system accumulates gold and experience over time even when you're offline. The higher your activity funds tier, the more gold you earn. And have surplus or low rarity artifacts, you can sell them for extra gold. This is especially useful early on when every bit counts. So, implementing these strategies that I just said daily to maximize your gold earnings and strengthen your hunters efficiently.